I built this entire channel for $0. Every script, every voiceover, every image, every video edit, every subtitle, all of it. 8 free AI tools. 1 home PC. Today I'm going to walk you through the entire stack, what each tool does, when to use it, and why I picked it over the paid alternatives. Let's go. First, Claude, the brain. Every script I write, every video idea, every prompt for image generation, it all starts here. Claude is free up to a generous daily limit. 4 long-form scripts, structure, and rewriting. Nothing on the free tier beats it. ChatGPT works too if you prefer it. Both are good. Pick one and stop switching. Second, Stable Diffusion WebUI, the image factory. This runs locally on my home PC. Automatic 1111 builds the interface. DreamShaper 8 is the model I use for cinematic, photoreal stills. Animagion XL if I want anime. Free forever. No subscription. The trade-off, you need an NVIDIA GPU with 6 GB of VRM minimum. No GPU? Use Pollinations.ai in your browser. Free. Slower. Lower quality. But it works on a phone. Third, Edge TTS. The voice. Microsoft's text-to-speech, accessed through a free Python package called Edge TTS. Install it. Pick a voice. AndrewNeural for documentary. Ava for warm narration. And you get studio-quality voiceover in seconds. No subscription. No watermark. Almost human. This entire video is Edge TTS. Fourth, Whisper. The transcript. OpenAI's open-source speech-to-text model. Runs locally. Takes your voiceover and produces word-level timestamps. This is what powers the burned-in captions you see on every AI Wire short. Free. Accurate. Crucial for shorts on TikTok and Instagram, where 80% of people watch with sound off. Fifth, Remotion. The editor. This is where it gets nerdy. Remotion is a video editor, written in React. Code-based. Every short, every long form, every transition you see on AI Wire is rendered with Remotion. Programmable. Reusable. Once I've built a template, I can crank out 20 videos a week from the same code. If you don't want to code, that's fine. CapCut is the manual edit alternative. Also free. Drag and drop. Many viral channels use it. Sixth, SadTalker. The talking face. Takes a still image of a face plus an audio clip and gives you back a video of that face actually speaking, with lip sync, head motion, blinks. Free. Open source. Runs in roughly 100 seconds per clip on my consumer GPU. Used when I need a character to deliver dialogue. Seventh, FFmpeg. The plumbing. Not glamorous. Critical. FFmpeg cuts, converts, resizes, encodes, splices, anything to do with video and audio file manipulation. Every other tool in this stack ultimately hands off to FFmpeg for the final encoding. Free. Command line. Worth learning. Eighth, Pollinations.ai. The phone backup. If you have no GPU at all, Pollinations is the safety net. Free image generation in your browser. No account. No install. Works on a phone. Rate limited and slower than local, but for one-off graphics or thumbnails, it's enough. That's the stack. Now here's how it all connects. I start in Claude. Write a script, usually around 500 words. Save it as plain text. Edge TTS reads the script and gives me a voiceover MP3. 20 seconds. Whisper transcribes the MP3. Outputs a JSON with every word and its timestamp. Stable Diffusion generates the background images for each scene. 5 to 10 images per video. Remotion takes the voiceover, the captions, and the images, and renders the final video. One command. Walk away. Come back to a finished MP4. For dialogue close-ups, SadTalker drives a still face from the audio. For action shots, sometimes I use Animate Diff if my GPU cooperates. The whole pipeline, end-to-end, is one bash command, npm run build. The honest trade-offs. Animate Diff and other AI video generation tools don't reliably fit on 8 GB of VRM. That's the wall. For action sequences, you either accept stills with motion overlay or pay for a cloud service like WAN, Kling, or Runway. Some tools have learning curves. Stable Diffusion takes a weekend to learn properly. Remotion takes longer if you don't code. And tools change fast. The Stable Diffusion model I use today may be obsolete in 3 months. The pipeline is forever, the specific tools are not. But here's the thing. In 2026, a person with one laptop and $0 can do what required a small studio 5 years ago. Not theoretically. Right now, the tools exist. The only question is whether you commit a weekend to learning the pipeline. Pick one tool, learn it deeply, then add the next. That's the whole secret. AI Wire, one buildable AI pipeline every week. See you in the next one.